Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make Google Docs editable by anyone. So what I mean is that anyone can have access or can see the files. So if you create a new Google Docs file, the Google Docs will usually save your document as private to only you as the creator. So you can see it in here at the share option. The now the share or the access is private to only me as the creator, and I want to make it accessible to anyone or by anyone. So to do that, you can just click on the share here, and here you need to change the general access from restricted into anyone with the link. Just click on this, and you can add also add a certain Gmail account in this, and then click on done to make them have access to your file. Or you can also go to file and then find the share here, and then click on share with others. Okay, I'm gonna try that again. Okay, so this is the pop-up like what I click on this. So you can just change, I'm going to change it into anyone with the link. So now anyone on the internet with the link can view, or you can also change it as editor so they can have access and also they can edit this file. And after that, you can just add people in here. For example, this one's right here, and then click on sign. And after that, they will have access into this file. Okay guys, so that's all from me. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like the video, please do click on the thumbs up icon. Don't forget to leave a comment and subscribe to our channel. See you at the next tutorial. Bye bye.